I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm hustling.
All right, YouTube. Well, today is a great day because I have finally both of my amplifiers, two Sundown SAE-3000Ds, and I couldn't be more excited to get these installed and get my crappy hifonics amps out of there. Now, for what it's worth, the hifonics amps that I did have in my vehicle, let me do a little breakaway frame here. Okay, for what you pay, they really ain't that bad. They provide decent amount of power, but they are incredibly power hungry, unbelievably. So I'm definitely looking forward to get these more efficient quality amplifiers in place of those hifonics. So without further ado, I'm gonna snap my fingers and we're gonna get that done. Okay, that didn't work. Probably because I forgot to do the unboxing. So let me do an unboxing of one of these. So those of you that are in the market for an SAE line amp can see what it comes with and everything. So here we go. Let me get one of these out of the way. Okay, here you go. Let me open one up here. Sundown Audio SAE-3000D. Boom. Look at that. Beautiful. Got the owner's manual as usual. And as usual, Sundown always puts their sticker in there. Let me put this down and I'll get to it. All right, well, here she is out of the box. I gotta say, it is a good looking amplifier. Nothing fancy, just sleek and beautiful. Coming on this side here, you got all the gain controls, all the bypass or crossover settings, subsonic, bass boost, what have you, protect light, and the input for the remote knob there, which I'm not gonna be using because I got my own custom line out controller there. Coming around here, nice heat sinks. Of course, you got the 0 gauge power and ground remote, and then some nice solid speaker connection terminals. But boy, am I excited to get this thing installed with my other one and get her pumping, get those ZV5s rocking and rolling. So without further ado, let's get it installed. All right, YouTube, so here they are. Boom. Installed. Finally got them installed, and I think they look phenomenal. Again, nice and sleek, nothing too flashy, but boy, am I excited to hear these pounds. Stay tuned for upcoming videos as far as hearing them push these guys back here, my two ZV515s.